Industrial IoT switches are important control equipment for realizing Industry 4.0. TXGA's industrial IoT switch solutions include single-pair Ethernet (SPE) connector and RJ45 connector. SPE connector volume is only 25% of RJ45. Support 1 gigabit per second transmission bandwidth, and can provide 50 W power supply. Meet the requirements for miniaturization and simple wiring of industrial IoT switches. RJ45 connector complies with IEEE 802.3 design standards. At the same time, the models are rich and the technology is mature. Two products can adapt industrial IoT switches to the connection needs of different devices. Focused on research and development, with unique creativity, creating quality connections. From TXGA.